What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install one of the best call recorder for Android. Do know that this is for rooted devices. If your device is not rooted, then you're out of luck. This is one of the best call recorder called BCR, which means basic call recorder. It doesn't have any announcement. Most of the default call recorder on Android phones, when you try to record your call, is going to make an announcement so both parties will know when the call is being recorded, which sucks. But if you don't want that, this is the best one for you. So you have to proceed, go to Magisk and flash the zip, which I'm going to provide in the description. Just download it. After flashing that, you just have to reboot your device and you're going to see the app in the app drawer. So I'm going to flash this zip and reboot my device real quick. So after rebooting the device, you go to your app drawer. You're going to see the icon there. You're going to see BCR, which is the basic call recorder. First thing first, turn on call recording. Accept the necessary permissions, and you can explore the settings. It has so many features. Disable battery optimization so that it will be running in background as always. You can set your output format, the format you want. You can also set the location where you want your call recordings to be saved. So that will be all. I'm going to show a little bit of demo for you to see how it works. So I'm going to call my number so that you will see how it works. I'm going to call my number. So when you have a call and you answer the call, you can see right here, call recording in progress. Everything is automated. It automatically record the calls. So when you are done with your call and you hang up, it's going to automatically save the call. You can see right here, successfully recorded calls. So if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.